Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to remove power options in Windows 10. In Windows, there are certain tasks that requires for it to continuously operate. This means that your computer should be left running. However, there are unintentional or accidental situations wherein one of the power options have been selected, resulting to the termination of certain tasks and process running. Such a case is common, especially if there are multiple users of the computer. In this video tutorial, let us teach you two methods that you can do to remove power options on your Windows 10 PC to prevent other users from accidentally turning computer off using the power options such as restart, sleep, hibernate, or the shutdown button. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First method, remove power options from local group policy. Local group policy is a utility in Windows that allows users to manage account settings. However, some of the policies in Group Policy Editor is only compatible with specific operating systems and may not work with all Windows versions. If you are using Windows Home, skip this method and use the next method instead. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then, at Runbox, type gp-edit.msc and press Enter. At Local Group Policy Editor window, click User Configuration to expand it, then click Administrative Templates to expand it, then click Start Menu and Taskbar to expand it. At right pane, double-click on the setting Remove and Prevent access to Shutdown, Restart, Sleep, and Hibernate commands. Then, click the enabled option. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Second method, remove power options from Registry Editor. If you use the first method, the registry for the specific values will automatically be updated. But if you will use this method directly, which is recommended for Windows Home users, you may need to create a new key and change value for that specific settings. For safety, it is recommended to make a backup of the registry before you make any changes. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then at Runbox, type Regedit and press Enter. At Registry Editor window, navigate to the following. Click HK Current User folder to expand it. Then click Software folder. Next, click Policies folder to expand it. Click Microsoft folder to expand it. Then click Windows to expand it. Then click Current Version to expand it. And then click Explorer folder, expand it. Right-click at right pane and choose New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value option. Now name the key as Hide Power Options and press Enter. Next, double-click on Hide Power Options at right pane. Change value data to 1, then click OK. Exit Registry Editor. Next, restart computer. You can always enable anytime, simply change the value to 0 or just delete the value. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.